I'm going to show you several different designs for Valentine's Day cupcakes based on the Valentine's cupcake dummies that were at Dollar Tree this year. So I've seen this technique before. I've never done it before. I'm just painting a line of acrylic paint in there and I'm smushing it so it's on both sides. So it's just in a frosting bag. That's it. There's no tip on there yet. And then I'm going to load it with white spackle, but you could load it with any color that you wanted. I just put it in a bag that had a tip on it. That's a 1M tip. It's a star tip. It's one of my favorites, very popular tip. These are from Dollar Tree, but I also have cupcake dummies in my shop, which is glamcandyboutique.etsy.com. And you can see how cool that swirl came out with the two different colors. Isn't that neat? So now I'm putting on a cherry. I started doing a little quirky cherry on the side, didn't like it, ended up putting it on the top. But I'm adding some glitter here. This is just plain white glitter from Michael's. And I should have done this first, but I decided to rim that edge. I put some tacky glue there. And later you're going to see me use spackle instead because it's just easier. But then I'm just using some pearls from my shop. And I think it brought out all the red. This is a really good Christmas cupcake idea as well. So now I'm just covering that rim again with some spackle. And I'm using my strawberry crumbles. There's these little fake crumbles you can get from my shop. It's a brand new item. So excited about it. You know those little strawberry shortcake bars that you got as a kid from the ice cream man? You could definitely make those with these crumbles. So you see I just kind of press them into there. The spackle is gripping them nice, and then just kind of tap them in there gently. So do your little peek. This is just pink spackle. I just mixed a little bit of pink acrylic paint in there and just do a swirl. And this design, I decided to put a couple of lips on top and that's it. Isn't that so cute? You can get those in my shop and I do have little Valentine's bundles as well. I'm just adding a little bit of glitter. And that's what this one looks like. And do the same design, but with a strawberry. Just adding a little glitter. So now I'm just adding some spackle around the edge, and it really didn't want to stick, so that's why I'm globbing it on there. And now you know why my fingers are constantly messy. Like, I'm a crafter, and I always say, like, never trust a clean crafter, never trust a skinny chef. So now I'm just putting on some Nonpareils that are in Valentine's colors. And you guys, those will be coming soon to my shop. And I'm so excited. Nonpareils add so much dimension to your crafts. And I love adding them to like my other sprinkle mixes, which I love sprinkle mixes. And I pride myself on having really unique toppings and sprinkles for fake bakes. So again, once you apply those, you're going to have some fallout, but just tap them down. And again, I'm starting with a peak to give it some support. There is some support with the dome of the cupcake, but I wanted to give it a little more since I'm doing a tall swirl. Look how cute that is. I started with 2 lollipops, but then I decided to just do 1. It almost looks like Mickey Mouse ears. That's not the look I was going for. Not that that's a bad look. And sorry about the angle. This is my first time filming this way, and so maybe I need to mark where I need to keep the cupcake so that it doesn't kind of go drift to the right like that. So I'm just adding more Nonpareils, and then I'm adding more sprinkles. This is my sprinkle mix. It is called Be My Valentine, and you can get it in my shop as well. It has little Valentine's mints with little hearts on them, pearls, jimmies. It has everything. I like the sprinkles with everything in them. So now again, I'm just spreading the spackle around the edge again. And this time I'm using a little bundle heart that I sell in my shop. It has a variety of Valentine's candies and sprinkles and toppings. You can see all of them that it carries. Like I have like chocolate shavings, pink chocolate shavings, red hots, I love you very much sprinkles, pearl mixes, sprinkle mixes, diamond mixes, fake jelly beans, fake candies. It has a lot in it, and it saves you money since it's a bundle. You don't have to buy a lot of everything. You get a little bit of everything in that, and you save on shipping. So I'm just using the pink and red diamonds out of this little set, and I'm just going to press those into the spackle. And again, I'm just doing a peek, and then I'm going to do a swirl. And I got these pretty little roses at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to press that in there. Isn't that so cute? This would make a good Easter or Mother's Day cupcake as well. Maybe you could just change the colors. And I'm just adding some glitter. And there's that one. So for this one, I'm adding the Be My Valentine sprinkles that have just everything in them, and I'm just pushing that into the spackle around the sides. And I got tired of doing that, so I just made a big pile and just started smushing it into there, and it was so much faster and easier. And again, sorry about that angle. I will work on that in future videos. Again, this is a new filming angle for me. So I went back to the original fake frosting, which was the white with the little red streak in it. And this time I utilized this star tip. Before, my bag was hanging out below my tip, and so it gave me just a flat kind of wormy looking roll. This is more like, you know, the star tip. And then I just added some hearts and then some glitter. I really like this one. I think the rose is my favorite though. So for this one, I went back to the fake crumbles that I showed you earlier. And they do have these little pink wafers in them. Isn't that so cute? I love these so much. But I didn't want the wafer for this project, just the crumbles. So I just pressed those into some tacky glue all the way around the edge. And then for this one, I just had a little bit of spackle left in each bag. And I didn't want to make more. I didn't want to waste it. So I took the pink spackle and I took the red and white bag and I combined them into one bag with a tip so that they would all blend together. And at first I thought it was going to be a hot mess, but it actually turned out really cute. So I just started applying that and I did like a swirling motion as if I were doing whipped cream on a pie or a cake. So I just added some more crumbles to the top and some glitter. And then I decided to top this one with a heart pick from Dollar Tree and a couple of paper straws. How cute did that turn out? Isn't that so adorable? So this is how they all turned out. Let me know which one is your favorite or which one you're going to try, or if you're going to try different color combos. I love hearing from you. I love reading all the comments and answering as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. You can share. That helps me build my channel so I can make more content for you. Thank you. Did you know I have memberships available with members only videos? For only $2.99 a month, you get my Christmas all year tutorials. So the Christmas all year may or may not be shared later publicly, but you get exclusive access several months before so you can get started on your Christmas. I often run out of time to finish all my Christmas projects because I'm so busy during the holiday season. In the second tier, the $9.99 subscription, you get all the videos for the $2.99 subscription, anything with the gingerbread background, and you get any of the videos with the white background that talk about being in the Candy Crew group. $2.99 is called the Sugar Squad, and the $9.99 is the Candy Crew. And Candy Crew includes absolutely everything Plus, it will be behind the scenes tutorials of me decorating my house and my Christmas tree, Easter tree, Valentine's tree, all the trees, all the decor. Plus, you get extra discounts in that tier. You can cancel anytime, there's no obligation, but during the membership, you get to see any of the secret tutorials. I will put the link to sign up in the description, and you just select which tier you want to join. You can sign up today and start checking out all the tutorials, and it's no obligation. You can cancel anytime. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.